In today's video, we will demonstrate how to use the raw interface to display custom messages on the C1 controller LEDs during the execution of a single-row panorama. Specifically, at position 3, we will specify 5 extra trigger signals, and after each one, MECHA will emit a beep and display a number on the LEDs. First, please ensure that Enable Raw Interface checkbox is checked on the configuration page. Then click the Apply button. Next, access the iExample page, which contains a few raw interface usage examples and allows you to control MECHA. We will uncheck Simulation Only, and Auto Refresh is also not needed, as it relates to the C2 controller. As long as the Auto Execute checkbox is not checked, any command is executed only when clicking the Execute button. We will leave the Absolute checkbox unchecked as we want the rotation angles to be relative to the current position. The Fisheye 6 Around button, as its name implies, sends the commands for a single-row panorama to the console. Empty lines are accepted by the console, and simple text is treated as a comment and is not executed. Each line is a command that instructs MECHA to send a trigger signal to the camera. To specify an additional trigger signal, we will simply copy the third command and paste it below. All we need to change is the value of RD1, which is the rotation angle from the current position for the lower rotator. Since no rotation is needed, this value must be 0. After sending this extra trigger signal, we want MECHA to display the number 5 on the LEDs. This is the custom message we mentioned earlier. To do that, click the Text button to add a sample text command to the console, then change the value to 5, or whatever you need, choosing from these characters that MECHA can display on the LEDs. Exclamation mark, dot, colon, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 A B C D E F. Now, move this command to the appropriate place. Before this custom message, we will also specify one beep sound. The next 4 trigger signals can be specified by simply duplicating the first one. We will update the custom message to display 4, indicating 3 shots remain, followed by 3 for 2 shots, 2 for 1 shot, and finally 1. Let's click the Execute button and observe how MECHA executes this panorama. The first shot. The second shot. The third shot. The first extra shot, followed by a beep, then 5 displayed on the LEDs. The second extra shot, followed by a beep, then 4 displayed on the LEDs. The third extra shot, followed by a beep, then 3 displayed on the LEDs. The fourth extra shot, followed by a beep, then 2 displayed on the LEDs. 1 extra shot remains, followed by a beep, then 1 displayed on the LEDs. MECHA continues now with the normal shots. This is a MECHA C1 E1 with an R1 adjustable tilt head. Thank you for watching.